Number one is competition is fiercer than ever before. It used to be that laundromats didn't really compete with one another, or maybe you're sort of competing with one other laundromat or something like that, right? Especially in urban areas, I've seen competition really starting to ramp up. While yes, we are competing with each other sometimes, and I would say, listen, when I say competition is fierce, I don't mean it in a way that, listen, we got to go after the throat of our neighboring laundromat. Some of you guys I know have that mindset, and that's great too. But what I mean by this is that we can no longer be lackadaisical, whichever the right one is, insert that there for me. And we can't just sort of let things flow. We have got to compete. And what that means is, I had a customer one time who gave me this fake silver coin, but it said, mind your business, right? We need to mind our business, pay attention to our business, pay attention to the details of our business, right? Do all the basics, of course, keep it clean, keep it well lit, keep your machines running, keep it safe. All those things are the basics, but we also need to pay attention to the details. We need to pay attention to our pricing. We need to pay attention to, how, the flow of our customers through our store. We need to pay attention to, I don't know. I can't think of anything else off the top of my head, but we need to pay attention to the details of our business, and we need to pay attention to our competitors, see what promotions they're running, see what pricing models they have, see what's working for them and what's not working for them, find out where we can fit in the marketplace. Is there something unique we can bring to the marketplace? And, that sort of is the opportunity. The opportunity is this: the bar is still low in terms of that competition, right? It's fiercer than ever before, but the bar is still pretty low. However, we need to professionalize our laundromat businesses. No longer can we run them like a mom and pop. We need to start professionalizing our businesses. And I'm seeing all across the country, the people who are committing to professionalizing their businesses are seeing huge gains right now in the business. So work towards professionalizing your laundromat business, and you won't really have to worry about competition.